Hi there! If your video snap are suddenly on silent, here are some troubleshooting tricks for you. First things first, double check that your device isn't in silent mode and that the volume isn't mute. It's a simple step but we often overlook the basics. Next is to dig into your device settings and make sure that Snapchat has the green light to access your microphone. Think of it as giving the app permission to capture sound, so make sure that all the settings necessary is turned on. If the sound is still playing hard to get, do a quick test by recording some audio using your device's regular camera or a voice recording app. If the issue shows up in the other apps too, your device might be the sneaky culprit, so time to reach out to your device manufacturer for some tech support. And for all of you iPhone users experiencing wonky microphone sounds, Apple's the one to turn to. Feel free to connect with them for some guidance on fixing those quirky audio issues. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and remember to ring that bell for more useful tips.